You want to build an AI app. Smart move. AI is changing everything, fast. But you think you need to code? You think it's too hard? That's old thinking. Forget it. There's a new way, a better way. It's called no-code. No-code tools let you build apps without writing a single line of code. It's like building with digital Legos. Click, drag, done. This is your chance to get in the game. Now, so what can you build? Almost anything. AI writers, AI assistants, AI for your business. These tools are powerful. They are easy to use. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need years of training. All you need is an idea and the will to act. This isn't just about building apps. It's about building your future. It's about learning new skills, valuable skills, skills that can make you money, serious money. Think about it. College students, working professionals, you can learn this, you can do this. Build an app on the side. Solve a problem. Offer a service. To build your AI app, you need tools. Simple tools. Forget complex software. Forget confusing manuals. We use tools that work. Tools that get results. Fast. First up, Bubble. Think of Bubble as your app factory. It's where you design your app. How it looks, how it works. You drag elements, buttons, text boxes, images, no code, just logic. If this, then that, easy. Bubble is powerful. You can build real scalable apps. Next, the brain of your app. The OpenAI API. API means Application Programming Interface. Sounds techie? It's not. It's just a way for your app to talk to OpenAI's AI. OpenAI has amazing AI models like GPT-4. These models can write, they can understand language, they can generate ideas. Your app will use this AI brain to do cool things. This is where the AI in your AI app comes from. Simple. Then we have Zapier. Zapier is your automation hero. It connects different apps together, so they work as a team. Imagine your app does something. Zapier sees it. Then Zapier tells another app to do something else. Automatically. No manual work. Your OpenAI API key is crucial. It's your golden ticket. It lets your app access OpenAI's powerful AI models. Think of it like a secret password, only for your app. Without it, your app can't talk to the AI. No magic. So, getting this key is your first big step. Don't worry. It's easy. It takes minutes. I'll walk you through it. No stress. Just follow along. You need this key. Let's get it now. First, go to the OpenAI website. That's openai.com. You'll need to create an account or sign in if you have one. It's a standard sign-up process. Email, password, you know the drill. Once you're in, look for the API section. It might be in your account settings or developer portal. Websites change, but API is your keyword. Find it. This is where the magic starts. You're close. Inside the API section, you'll see options. Look for API keys or create new secret key. Section 4. Build your first AI app, a no-code Bubble walkthrough. Now the fun part, building your actual app. We'll use Bubble. Remember, your no-code app factory. Let's build something simple, but useful. How about an AI content idea generator? Users type a topic. The AI gives them content ideas. Sounds good? Great. Let's sketch it out. This will show you the basic process. You can build anything later. The principles are the same. Learn them once. Use them forever. First, sign up for Bubble. Go to bubble.io, create a new app, give it a name, my AI idea generator, or whatever you like. You'll see a blank canvas. This is your app's page. Drag an input element onto the page. This is where users type their topic. Label it, enter your topic. Next, drag a button element. Label it, get ideas. Then, drag a text element or a repeating group below. This is where the AI-generated ideas will appear. Simple layout. Now connect the AI. This is key. In Bubble, go to Plugins. Add the API Connector plugin. This plugin lets Bubble talk to other services. Section 5. Work smarter, not harder. Automate with Zapier. Your AI app is built. It works. Congrats. But we can make it better, more efficient. How? Automation. That's where Zapier comes in. Zapier connects your Bubble app to thousands of other apps. Think Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, MailChimp. It automates tasks between them. No code needed. This saves you time. It saves you effort. It makes your app smarter. Let's see how. It's simpler than you think. Zapier works with zaps. A zap is an automated workflow. Each zap has two parts, a trigger and an action. Trigger. Something happens in one app. Action. Zapier makes something else happen in another app. Example. Trigger. New user signs up in your Bubble app. Action. Zapier automatically sends them a welcome email via Gmail. See? No manual emailing. Zapier handles it. This makes your user experience better, instantly. Let's set up a simple zap for your AI app. Imagine your AI app generates great content ideas. You want to save all these generated ideas for future reference. Trigger, your Bubble app successfully generates ideas. You might need a webhook from Bubble. Action Zapier adds these ideas to a new row in a Google Sheet. Now you have a database of all generated content automatically. Section 6. Level up your app. Using Notion AI for extra power. Your app is running, it's automated. What's next? More value, more smarts. Let's talk Notion AI. You might use Notion for notes or project management, but Notion now has AI built right in. It's very handy. This isn't about directly integrating Notion AI into your Bubble app's core function. Not like the OpenAI API. That's for the main AI tasks. Instead, Notion AI helps you your app. It helps you build and grow your app business. How can Notion AI help? Content creation is a big one. Need a blog post about your new AI app? Ask Notion AI. Need social media updates to promote your app? Notion AI can draft them. Need frequently asked questions, FAQs for your users? Notion AI can help. It's like having a junior copywriter on your team. This saves you time. It helps you market your app effectively. Good marketing brings more users. More users mean more success. So, use Notion AI to create this supporting content. Think about your app's user journey. They need help articles. Section 7. Make money with your AI app. Start earning now. You built an AI app. No code. Amazing. You automated it. You have content ideas. Now the big question, how do you make money? This is where it gets exciting. This is the payoff. There are many ways. Let's look at a few solid ones. These methods work for apps like yours. You built value. Now capture some of that value. It's time to turn your skills into cash. First, subscriptions. This is a popular model. Users pay a monthly fee or an annual fee. They get access to your app's features. Maybe you offer different tiers. Basic, Pro, Premium. More features for higher tiers, more AI usage. This gives you recurring revenue, predictable income. College students, professionals. Imagine an extra $100, $500, $1,000 a month from an app you built without code, powerful. Second, pay-per-use or credit packs. Users pay for what they consume. For an AI content generator, they might pay per idea generated, or they buy a pack of 100 generations. This model is fair. Users only pay for value received. It can be very profitable if your app solves a real pain point. Think about businesses. They pay for tools that save them time or make them money. Your AI app can be one of those tools. Automating AI content requests for them. This alone could be a full-time income.